Hello, and welcome to another update video on ADA. Yeah, the ADA chart, can't really get off the ground there, can't really take off. And so I mentioned in yesterday's video around the same time that a break below this swing low from Wednesday, this 55 cent level wouldn't be great from a short-term bullish point of view. That break happened. So again, the probabilities for the blue count, which are already speculative, they have reduced further, just based on the microstructure. I mean, I'm looking here at the 1 hour time frame. I think it's important to understand that the 10th of October low might be a meaningful one. We had a recovery, possibly in 5 waves. Bit difficult to see based on the data because you can't really read what happened in this wick. But let's say we have a 5-wave move up and a 3-wave decline into our support area, then we might be in a reversal. It's important to understand that this is the support zone between 47.3 cents and 51.9 cents. And so, I mean, when we look at this, it looks like we could have bottomed. Well, we could have, but it's about understanding, well, should we? And I don't have a 5-wave move up yet from the low. So from that 4th of November low, the move to the upside isn't really impressive. It's not really a meaningful upside reversal pattern. It's so far simply a 3-wave move up. And the problem is this last dip looks a little bit like a 5-wave decline. So I mean, there are other ways how this can be interpreted, but what I said already in our members update is it looks a little bit more like the white count, okay? We would basically need a break above 59.2 cents, and then we can talk a little bit about the blue count here a little bit more. It's just that in the blue count, it basically needs a small miracle because it's not 5 waves up yet. We need one more high, and this 4th wave is already very deep, We even have an overlap with waves 1 and 4. Well, that's normal in a diagonal, but as I said, it looks a bit like 5 waves down. And we're now testing the first micro resistance area, which you might not know that if you watched yesterday's video, or you will know about it if you're on our Discord. But it's the 56.5 to 59.2 cent area there. And so, I mean, we need another high in wave 5. And this 5th wave to the upside, it might take us a little higher, but we need a break above 59.2 cents for confirmation. Again, we only have 3 waves. We need those 5, And even that would likely only be possible as a diagonal pattern. It's certainly not an impulse. So what I try to say here is there is immediate resistance, micro resistance, really just not so meaningful, but micro resistance between 56.5 and 59.2 cents. And if we get rejected there, one more low could take us to 47.3 cents. I would simply treat that as an extension of the wave 2, which started on the 13th of October. So that's the resistance and support area to watch for. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you're interested in additional updates, then also check out our X channel. Well, you might see this video actually on X. It was uploaded first on X. So if you follow us here as well, if you see it on YouTube, make sure you do it. I put the link in the comments section. Sometimes videos are published a little sooner on X. Sometimes there are bonus updates. For example, I published a Bitcoin video update today on X, not on YouTube. This one is covering the daily and weekly charts. So feel free to join us to stay informed. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.